Using Pandora gift cards is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and enjoy your shopping experience. Step 1. Check your balance. Before you start shopping, check the balance on your Pandora gift card. You can do this by visiting the official Pandora website or calling customer service. Step 2. Visit a store or online. Decide whether you want to use your gift card in a physical store or online. If you choose to shop online, go to the Pandora website and browse their selection. Step 3. Select your items. Choose the items you want to purchase. Add them to your cart if you are shopping online, or take them to the register if you are in a store. Step 4. Redeem your gift card. At checkout, present your gift card. If shopping online, enter the gift card number and PIN in the designated fields. In store, hand the card to the cashier. Step 5. Complete your purchase. If your gift card covers the total amount, your purchase will be completed. If there is a remaining balance, you can pay the difference using another payment method. Enjoy your new Pandora items and the joy of gifting.